So today we'll be making the famous baked garlic mussels. Hi everyone, welcome to Hawker House Recipes. We'd like to thank our sponsors for this video, Abbey. To begin, we need the following ingredients: the gourmet GreenShell mussels, garlic seafood topping, parsley, and lemon. So first, we need to top the mussels with a teaspoon of the garlic seafood topping. Next, we set the oven for 180 degrees. Place the mussels for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we get ourselves a butane torch and melt the seafood topping. Transfer to a serving plate. Top with some lemon and sprinkle with parsley. So for more recipes, follow Hawker House Recipes. Thank you!